The all-new Interstellar Bivy is the four-season shelter that's so much more than just a shelter. Yes, you can sleep in it, and you can also wear it while you perform camp chores and organize gear. Yes, it's waterproof, and it uses one of the most breathable fabrics in the industry for a comfortable night's sleep. And get this, it weighs less and packs up smaller than a single-person tent. We guarantee that this is the shelter that will change the way you think about sleeping outside. Here's why you'll love it. Our new favorite bivy shares the same name as the Interstellar jacket, Outside Magazine's Gear of the Year award winner. Why? Because they share the same super breathable and durably waterproof Ascent Shell technology. When you're picking out a bivy, breathability is just as important as weather protection because of how much the average person perspires every night. That's why we chose this award-winning electrospun polymer fabric for the job. The Interstellar Bivy is also incredibly lightweight. We're talking under 20 ounces lightweight, including the pole. Finally, the most unique thing about this shelter is the zipper configuration. This newly designed side entry makes getting in and out of your bivy faster and easier than a clamshell style bivy. A built-in bug net lets you breathe easier and enjoy the night sky without inviting critters in for a sleepover. And finally, we've configured the zipper so you can stick your arms out and wear the bivy like a jacket. Without even stepping outside, you'll be able to cook, clean, read, and more, right from the comfort of bed. And yep, you guessed it, there's more. The Interstellar Bivy comes with a single pole that can be used to add headspace, or left at the trailhead to save 2 extra ounces of weight. There are 2 stake loops that let you secure your shelter down on windy trips. And finally, the built-in sombrero gives you a wide brim to protect from rain and sun while you're sitting up and performing camp tasks. Save room for the fun stuff and pack an Interstellar Bivy on your next backcountry adventure. Want to geek out on the Interstellar Bivy? Click the link below to dive in.
Hi, I'm Cody with Big Agnes, and I'm here to tell you about our insulated tent comforter. This super versatile blanket packs and travels easily into its own zippered pocket, so you can just toss it in and find a use for it wherever you go. The perfect thermal booster for when you need a bit more insulation on top or underneath your sleeping bag on an unexpectedly chilly night. Secure your insulated tent comforter over your sleep system as an extra layer of warmth, or underneath your sleep system as an insulated tent floor with the integrated hooks and included snap patches. 10 snap patches are included to affix to your tent, the bed of your truck, back of your car, or any ingenious place you can think of. Each corner of the comforter features adjustable webbing and hooks to attach to the gear loops in your tent. This comforter features a lightweight, soft poly taffeta material on one side and a super durable, highly water-resistant material on the other side. Fireline Eco Synthetic Insulation is a 100% post-consumer recycled polyester that features low denier fibers that are tightly woven and provide high loft, compressibility, a high weight to warmth ratio, and durability. The insulated tent comforter comes in 2 sizes, 58 by 90 inches and 90 by 90 inches. Simply a must-have item in your gear stash. You'll take this insulated camp blanket everywhere. The park for concerts and picnics, the river for napping on the wet sand, and of course, camping.